Hey, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make a logo reveal particles in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. First, create a new composition right here, logo, particles. Select the time 5 seconds, press OK. Fit your comp and double click. Import your logo. There is the logo. Press S, scale down the size. The easy way, go to Illustrator and press open, select the logo and then select the logo, zoom out and go to crop image, crop from here, apply, go to image trace, 3 color trace, okay, here is the logo is traced. Press expand, change the raster to the vector and then right click, ungroup. So by pressing magic wand, select the all same yellow colors. Ctrl C copy and go to After Effects, delete this logo, create a new solid, Ctrl Y and right here logo, Ctrl V, paste. Here is the easiest step and the vector quality. Go again, Ctrl C copy, press M, delete, Ctrl Y, right here, logo, Ctrl V, paste. The little bit problem is here. Select the logo and a little bit scale down. Press Alt Shift, copy again, Ctrl Z, Ctrl V. Here is the best way. You got it? Okay. Now right click, create new solid. Right here, element 3D. Enter and go to effects, video copilot, element 3D. So then go to effect control and go to custom layers, text and mask, select the logo. Then go to scene setup for extruding the logo. Press extrude, here is the logo, and go to physical, apply the golden material and go to environment, change the environment and change the lighting mode is 360. I need more reflection, bright reflection, backlights, 2K. Let's change. Here is the best reflection for the logo and press OK. Turn off the 2D logo and right click, create a new camera, 24mm, press OK. Go back to scene setup, change the logo color. Select the layer of the element 3D, select golem and change the material a little bit yellow and press OK again. Little bit problem, close the group 1 and select the logo group, the first group, and press Okay, again. Then select the camera, move it down and go back to group 1, and then go to replicator rotation, stopwatch to 5 seconds, change to 1, like this. And now time to make particles for the logo. Pre-compose right here, logo white. Press OK. Select the logo wipe. One again, pre-compose, logo wipe, logo wipe particles. So select, go to project, Ctrl D, duplicate and right click, pre-compose, logo linear wipe, change the name linear wipe, and drop this one to the logo particles. So now time to create new black solid and drop the effect CC light swap and change to 90° and press F4, turn on the track matte, Luma matte, move it down and stopwatch, go to second 2, move it up here and go to logo linear wipe, select logo wipe, right here linear wipe, drop this one, change to 0 and make the fader 150. Stopwatch and go to second 2, 100. Okay, don't forget save your project logo and create a new solid right here, the particles, go to effects, go to trap code, particular, and then go to emitter and select the layers and go to layer emitter and then select the logo wipe particles. Don't forget, turn on the 3D switch. Logo wipe particles. Here is the some particles for the logo. Set the particles 10,000, one more, 100,000, and go to particles, change the fader 0 and make the size random 100 and change the original size to 2.5 and go to physics, air, wind, make the particles down like this and go to turbulence, make the turbulence 200. Select the particles and go to linear, apply the glow effect, double click, double click one more, and apply the glow effect on the logo linear wipe, like this. Okay, now time to check the result. Let's apply the background. Double click the project, go to Documents, Video Copilot, Materials, Environment, Basic 2K. There is a lot of different materials. Backlights 2K. Let's apply this one. Import and drop to down of all layers and right click, flip horizontal, change, go back to fade to comp, and apply the camera lens blur. Create new solid, name it horizon. Apply the horizon effect. Go to image map, select the backlight 2K, and right click, create new camera, 15mm, press Ctrl S, one save more, and drop down. Apply the camera lens blur on the horizon for making panorama effect. Apply the camera lens blur effect on the horizon, and select the camera, press R rotation, stopwatch, go to 5 seconds, make it 1. Okay, Ctrl A, turn on the motion blur, and let's render. There's a little bit problem with the particles. There is the particles, turn off the motion blur, and there's the camera, play, turn off the camera, yeah, select the horizon and gradient, motion blur, rotation. Make rotation from the horizon effect. Go to 5 seconds, make it 1. Down the quality and test. Stopwatch again, -1. Render again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.